it's New Year's Eve and we are celebrating at home. So we have hosted a nice dinner and this is a menu which I'll show you guys later. Now 2 minutes remaining, we have to do the 12 grapes under the table and also we have the countdown for Happy New Year. So wishing you in advance. Happy New Year, 2 more minutes to go. Let's go. Grapes under the table and now it's time to wish you all 3, 2, 1 Happy New Year! So now we are going to have our feast and do lot more activities and yeah, so keep watching. Okay guys, so today is the day of New Year and we started the day by going to the temple seeking blessings and we also got prasad lunch. So the first meal of New Year was temple food and it was like very auspicious. I also did Kar Puja and I'm feeling very cold because it was so cold and yeah. So the start of New Year has been very nice. We seeked blessings from God. We had the meal at temple, and now probably we'll go out to Central Hangout. So yeah, Happy New Year once again. Oh my God, guys, how was your New Year experience? So yeah, the midnight celebration was crazy and even the day we started was amazing. So I'm really hopeful for this year. Like everyone say, it's like the #1 year. It's for new beginnings, healing, growing, spiritual growth, everything. So, and also like me being a Virgo, it's also predicted that it's gonna be a good year. So I'm very hopeful about it and the way it has started, I'm even more excited to look forward to this year. So yeah, now the rest of the video will be about us hanging out in Central and everything that we missed out during the Christmas time. We're hoping to do it now. So stay tuned and keep watching. Okay guys, so we came out to explore the lights and to see what's happening at New Year, but we have been stuck in traffic and there's like so much crowd, like the vehicle is just not moving and I don't think that Covent Garden I'll ever get to see, but I'm still hoping that there's still lights, it's open and I get to see it. So to know that if I got to see the Covent Garden and the lights or not, keep watching. Okay guys, so we were walking towards the Covent Garden when we came across the Leicester Square Christmas market and here ice skating is going on. I am frozen, but the dedication to experience all of this. So anyway, now we are just looking at the ice skating and probably think if we should try it or not. But we are running out of time as well. So yeah, keep watching. Because it's so cold, I'm frozen. So I want to be a bit warm and I'm hoping hot chocolate can do its magic. So So finally I got to visit Covent Garden and have the photo shoot with the bells, and I am really happy about it. So basically what happened was, during Black Friday when I wanted to go, because of the shopping and everything, we were extremely tired, and then it was really far, so we couldn't go during that time. And then again when we came, something or the other came up, so I was like, okay, so today we have to get there anyhow. And the thing was, we went to temple, and then after coming back we spoke to our families and everything, and it took time. So we left our home around 5. We reached Central by 7 because there was so much traffic and everything. And then due to road closures we couldn't reach our destination, so we had to change the buses thrice, and it was a whole heck of a journey. And entirely I was like, maybe it's not in my face, but 2026 proved to be that year that no, it is meant for you. So the universe just took me where I wanted to go. And we reached at Oxford Circus, and then we walked all our way through, and I was freezing. In between we came across Leicester Square Christmas market and had hot chocolate, as you saw. And yeah, I was freezing, I was cold, I was tired, but at the end of the day we made it, and it was worth it. So I am truly happy about how the beginning was for 2026, and how the universe made me get what I wanted. Even though there was struggle, at the end of the day it was worth it. So right now I've come into this lovely restaurant here. It's the Steak House. So we decided to get something to eat, so we ordered grilled chicken and some hot buffalo wings, hot chicken buffalo wings, sorry, and some beer. So we are gonna be the classic English people with a pint of beer and some food, and then we are gonna go back, and we have so much food remaining from our steak yesterday. So yeah, our drink is here, and I'm very excited. So that's all. That was for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you saw the struggle behind that one photo in the Covent Garden. And I hope this video sends a message that this year the universe is aligned, and that if you want to do something, at the end of the day you will reach there. There might be obstacles, there might be struggles, but you are gonna get it. So just work hard for it, and may you all have an amazing year. Happy New Year, happy 2026, and may all your manifestation, vision board, and everything that you intend to do comes true. So that's all for today's video. If you did like, then like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Then I hope you enjoy more of my upcoming videos. Till then, girl online going offline. Bye bye.